In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this short math question easy and fast. Alright, this question is under probability, so let's just look at it and solve it. It says each face of a fair 14-sided die is labeled with a number from 1 through 14 with a different number appearing on each face. If the die is rolled one time, what's the probability of rolling it 2? So we have these options. So guys, for this question, the question is straightforward. You don't need the calculator to solve this. Alright, just basic understanding of probability and a die, how a die is, the game of a die is done. You will be able to attempt this question. So maybe looking at this question without even thinking much, the right answer to this question will be option A, which is 1 over 14. Now here is the reason. Only one outcome out of 14 is a 2, so the probability will be 1 over 14. Alright, so when you roll a die, okay, only one outcome out of 14 is a 2, so that's why the probability will be 1 over 14. It's as simple as this. Now guys, if you want to learn more about probability, you want to understand the concept of probability as a subject or as a topic in general mathematics or statistics, I have a detailed video on this channel where I dealt with basic and advanced aspects of probability. So check somewhere around this channel, you see my videos on probability, watch them and you'll be glad you did. Alright, so let's call it here guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure to subscribe. Please by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on the video. Tell me how you feel about what to learn from the video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I have talked about in the video, feel free to leave a quiz in the comment section below and I will sure to give you a response. Also ensure the part of the channel membership by clicking the join button so you'll be getting premium information on how to solve more of these problems for your SAT maths and other college entrance math problems we'll be dealing with. Alright, so having done this, click the next screen above and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. So I know the punching anything on the calculator. This is something you can do with basic understanding of probability. Thanks for watching.